Hello dear students, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. So welcome back to your chemistry class, and today we are going to start with the properties of acids and bases. We have studied what is acid, what is base, and now we are going to study about the properties of them. So first, let's start with acid again. Acid turns the blue litmus to red. So litmus is a paper that we are going to discuss. Actually, here is a note. Litmus is an indicator which determines if the substance has the property of acid or base. So it is a paper which determines that whether if it is an acid or a base. So when the litmus changes from blue to red, so we know that the compound is acid. Acid tastes sour, like lemon that we use. They actually have acid inside them, so they taste sour. They corrode metals, so they are erosive and they can somehow destroy the metals. Mostly produce ions of hydrogen. As we studied, and Mr. Arinus defined the acid, they produce hydrogens, ions of hydrogens when they are dissolved in water. They react with metals and produce salt. That's one of the chemical properties of the acid. When the metals react with the acid, HCl, so sodium replaces the hydrogen here, and sodium chloride is a table salt that we use, and hydrogen is kicked out of the compound. So when they react with metals, they produces salt. Then reacts with bases and produces salt, called, and this equation is also called neutralization. They react with bases. This is also a property of base. When the bases react with acid, when the base and acid react with each other, they neutralize each other, and that equation or that reaction is called neutralization, because one of them has acidic properties, so the other one has the basic properties, so they neutralize each other, and this is what happened, like this. Here we have hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide, an acid, a base, and then they produce salt, and HCl and water. So that's important. They neutralize each other and they produce salt. So here are some important acids that we have. One of them is HCl, called hydrochloric acid. HNOC, which is nitric acid. The other one is H2SO4, which is called sulfuric acid. The other one is CH3COOH, which is an organic acid called ethanoic acid. So now let's go to the bases. The properties of the bases is vice versa as acid, because they are they are vice versa of each other. It turns the red litmus to blue. The acid changes the blue to red, it changes red to blue. It tastes bitter. And mostly they produce ions of OH. As Mr. Arinus defined, when we dissolve them in water, they will produce ions of hydroxide. Feels slippery like soaps. We cannot catch them in our hand tightly. And there are some important bases. One of them is sodium hydroxide, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide, NH3, ammonia, and CaOH2, calcium hydroxide. And this was the note about the litmus. So that was all about the properties of the acid. Acid and bases. If you've had any question, you can comment down below, and for more videos subscribe our channel, and you can also like this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.